My journey in TCE has been very wonderful, very motivating and encouraging. In TCE, I had started at the level of assistant supervisor, and from there onward, I rose up to the rank of general manager legal, wherein the legal aspects of all the cases, including India and internationals, are included. There are several factors which motivates me to come to work every day, and some of the main factors are the culture of the organizations. Now, culture in here, when you come to the organization, the employees of this company are very cooperative. We respect each other. Not only we respect each other, we give independence to each other. So therefore, this helps the person to perform its duties in a much better way every time in an enhanced manner. My knowledge, I keep updating my knowledge. There are a couple of ways. Company sends me for various seminars, workshops, and various discussions. Professional levels, professional bodies are conducting seminars, and in this we discuss a lot of laws, the legal updates, the legal luminaries are coming there and discussing various aspects, and then updating myself constantly through the legal books, case laws. This is how I keep my skills sharpened over the period of time. The highlight of this organizations are that being a Tata Group of company is a beautiful part is that we encourage ethical working. That is the most harmonious aspect of this company, which encourages me to come every day to perform my job. Not only that, this has given me a sense of respect for working in these organizations, my social status, and a sense of peace of mind that whatever I am working, the company will be abiding by the laws of the land also. My seniors have rather contributed more in my performance. I have seen that my seniors, they always cooperated with me. They have guided me wherever I needed, whenever I needed. Not only that, they encourage me to perform independently, and in case if I get stuck up at some place, I need the intervention of my seniors, and I always got it. And that's how it keeps me encouraged, it keeps me motivated to perform better and better. This is one aspect. The second aspect is my colleagues. My colleagues are also very cooperative. Take so much care of you that you feel like coming to office doing better and better. Certainly at times I believe this is my family only, and that's how it keeps me continuously motivated. Being a legal person, constantly I get various types of issues, various types of disputes, various types of interpretations, various types of analyzing, evaluating of various legal aspects of things. And this is what is most exciting for me. How to come out in a way from a situation which is favorable to the company and also favorable to a client. Harmonious, committed, reliable, family-like, and sense of pride.